Today we're back at Solitude, and as you can tell from the first shot, the conditions are not great. Follow along in this video as I show and explain how I take full advantage of days with subpar conditions.
Pretty good, how are you?
Pretty good, man. Holding okay up there?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thanks. So something I like to do on these early season days where it's thin cover and not much is open is pick a skill and try and work on it. So today I'm going to be working on my switch skiing, and maybe we'll try and see if we can find a jump to do a 360 or 180s on. So that's kind of going to be the focus today. That's how I kind of improve even when the conditions kind of suck early season like this. So, and that's kind of why I come out here still, even on these days, to try and get some practice in and just get better at something. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. Something else I really like to do to get started is just a nice quick warm-up class like this. Just get the legs moving, feeling good. So a little bit of an update on the plan here. It's getting crazy busy and really icy, so I've kind of abandoned the idea of even looking for side hits to try and do 180s or 360s. It'd just be irresponsible at this point. And they don't have any park jumps open yet, so we're abandoning that, but I'm still trying to work on the backward skiing because Main Street here, as you see, is usually pretty open. And I feel confident enough in my backward skiing that I can kind of take it easy and still work on things. So that's kind of the plan here. Everywhere else is just really icy, so just kind of taking it slow and paying attention for other people, because last thing you want to do is hit someone or crash and get hurt even without hitting someone. So it's kind of the update on the plan going forward here.
If you've made it this far in the video, I hope I've inspired you to get out, even if the conditions aren't perfect. If you look at my older videos and compare them to now, you can see the improvement that I've made in my skiing, and this is one of the methods I've used to do that. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.